Healing.
No cheat here. Trust me. If you saw my stats, you know I wasn't cheating.
Over here. Naked.
Pink smokes.
One guy.
Oh,
It's
well,
just-
let's just go kill him.
Grenade in the smoke. Grenade in the smoke.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh, dude, I didn't do
Those
shit.
two guys I killed, they said, turn it off, man. Just turn
I'm fucking.
Get wrecked, bitches!
Two of them up.
That means orange, right?
I don't know.
I think we just killed the
Yep.
DDRN team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Behind the crate.
Yep.
All right.
I have no throwables.
He's black tonight. He's flashed over there behind the crate. He should be. I'm right here beside you.
Which crate? There's two.
That one. Knight, I'm right behind you if you get a chance. Never mind.
He's hurt from that.
Nice.
I grab a dog, and I choke him, and I kick the shit out of him. And I all day long, I foot up a dog's ass. Just bang, bang, bang up his ass. That's my pleasure.